Hello everyone. So, what can you see in the inside of the Wix editor? Okay, so using your Google Chrome app, just click www.wix.com. Okay, and it will bring you to this page. So you will be asked to create an account. Okay, just click on Get Started, and then it will bring you to the page where you can choose an account where which you can use in this website builder. So you can use your Gmail account or your Facebook account. So in my case, I have chosen to use my Gmail account. So I'm just going to log in. Okay, continue with my email, log in, and then um, okay, just wait for it to load. Okay, so to begin your um, website creation, click on create new site. Okay, so you will be asked some questions here. So for example, what kind of websites are you creating? Okay, you can answer those, and or you can also skip that part. Okay, so let's just skip that part. Okay, also this, let's skip. Well, you can edit that later. So you'll be asked, what do you want to add to your website? So you can add some contents, for example, online store, bookings, events. Okay, so you just gotta have to click these little boxes inside. Okay, so just click next if you're done. Okay, so let's just wait again. Okay, so Wix website offers um, over 500 templates to choose from for free. Okay, so you can begin with a template or get a custom built site. Okay, so let's try to begin with a template. Okay, and it will bring you to the page where you can choose one from all of these amazing templates. Okay, so there are a lot of pages here below. Okay, so let's choose this one. You can view it or directly edit it. Okay, so I've just chose to edit that, so it will give you some time to wait again, but it will surely respond. Okay, so this is one of the downsides of this website builder. So its responsiveness is quite, delayed, late. Okay, but it will surely do, and I think it's worth the wait because you can use this for free, guys. Yes. Okay. Okay, so it's starting to load. Okay, so here's what you can see inside the Wix editor. So you can see uh, stuff here. For example, add elements. So if you click that, you'll be able to add elements just like texts, you know, uh, text box, and other stuff that you can add to this page. So this is going to be the page that you will be editing. Okay, let's try clicking this one. So you have strip, decorative, box, gallery. Okay, so you can uh, add these to your site. Okay, this one is add section, pages and menu, site design. So this is basically uh, the button where you can choose or replace the existing background of the site. For example, this one, you can customize it, page background. So they also offer a lot of page backgrounds here for free, or you can also download from the internet. Okay, so you can also customize them. Okay, this one, add apps. Okay, if you click that, okay, so you will be brought to um, this dialog box. So there should be some choices here. Well, I think Wix is having some glitches. Okay, this one is my business, and this one is media, so you can upload images or videos coming from Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, or Google Photos. Okay, if your image is coming from your computer, so you just got to click this button, upload videos. Okay, and this one is content manager. So if you're done editing your website, or you are going to continue it on next day, you can save it. Okay, so and you can resume it once you're ready. Okay, so after finishing all of this, you can publish it. Okay, and if you think that you have a lot of features missing and it's not available using free subscription, so you will uh, click upgrade. Okay, so it will bring you to the page where you can choose um, different plans which you think is um, enough for your website. Okay, so that's it. So this is what you can see in the inside of a Wix editor. So if you think this video is helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.